show these people how to dream right. See, I can show them how to aim for the stars and take them to the arenas from the street lights. Like damn, oh this is what the top feels like. Man, I still remember raining noodle meal nights. Man, I still remember checking my account and having $26 when I saw my record deal nights. And I remember being cold in my apartment, used the heater from the kitchen stove. Eyes low as how it goes, so I gotta roll something up just to cope with the process of growing up like. Hey, we made it to the bar cause we need to heal up. Gotta play for kids. Shit, because they tend to stay within us. You got to believe it. But I'm a sinner too, so I ain't preaching. Just keep on dreaming. Everybody, cause all the bad days come for good reasons. So you'll be